The eyes are one of the most sacrosanct organs in the body of every living organism, especially human beings. Eyes help us move freely from one place to another without hitting our legs on any object. When you have an eye disease, it affects you emotionally, mentally, and physically. That's why it is very important to adopt habits that can improve your eyesight. However, there are many things to do to keep your eyes healthy and clean. We shall be looking at the effect of kale on your eyes. According to experts, kale is known as a superfood by many because it contains so many important vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. It has been recommended for a lot of people suffering from eye disease at different levels. The potential properties of kale are extremely good for eye health. Kale has the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, also found in eggs and other foods. These nutrients may help to prevent serious eye conditions such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. If you want to boost your eyes' function, try as much as possible to add kale to your diet to improve your eyesight.